Good morning, friends. Do you know what time it is? Do you know what time it is? What time it is? What time it is? Do you know what time it is? It's time for story time. These are my glasses. This is my book. I put on my glasses and open up my book. And I read, and I look. I take off my glasses and close up my book. So today, I'm going to be reading It's Raining, It's Pouring. We all know that story, right? We all know the song. So as I read, I'm going to be singing. The author of this book is Ken Engel. And the illustrator is Rob Gerber. So I'm going to be singing, and I'm going to sing and read. Hope you can see the story. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He bumped his head when he went to bed and couldn't get up in the morning. It's cloudy, it's breezy, the old man is sneezing. He blew so hard that he moved the stars, but of course that wasn't easy. It's snowing, it's blowing, the old man is growing. He ate so much one day for lunch, every part of him was showing. It's warm out, it's sunny, the old man loves honey. Look at the pictures, beautiful, right? Beautiful sunny day. He tried to seize up a batch from the bees, and they didn't find it funny. Uh-oh, the bees are chasing him. It's cool, damp, and chilly. The old man name is Willie. You hear me singing? Willie. He tripped and fell in a big oh well. Oh my gosh, did he look so silly? Wait. Okay, that didn't rhyme. It's Gacy, it's windy. The old man's wife is Cindy. Look, they're having a nice picnic. And they're flying a kite. Or someone's flying a kite. When ants in his pants, they started to dance and ended up doing the Lindy. Whatever the season, cloudy, sunny, or breezy, if he gets to bed without bumping his head, then the old man thinks it's pleasing. The end, and here's the song. It's raining, it's pouring. The end. So if you guys love the story, you can always go on YouTube and find this book, and also you can sing the song. I hope you have a wonderful day, and again, I miss you guys, and stay safe and healthy. Kisses.